Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You start by making sure you are the host or an admin of the game session. Otherwise, commands will not apply. Once done, enable any experimental or developer options in the Valheim settings menu, then connect a USB keyboard to your Xbox or learn the controller combo to open the console. You need physical input to type, so plug a keyboard or use the on-screen keyboard immediately. This first step lets you access the command line, where you will run everything that follows. Once the console is open, type the primary toggle command, Emaciator, and press Enter. This switches the game into cheat mode so other powerful commands will work. You can then enter commands like God for invulnerability, Fly to toggle flight, or Pause to get coordinates. Use shorter commands for quick tests. Make sure you press Enter after each command and wait a second for the game to respond. If you are in a multiplayer session, confirm you still have admin rights before continuing. To finish, apply the commands you need, then save and reload the world to stabilize changes. This helps prevent odd behavior after large edits. If a command does not work, make sure you are still the host or an administrator and that Emaciator is active. Toggles can reset if the session changes. If the console stops accepting input, disconnect and reconnect, or fully restart Valheim on your Xbox. That simple restart often clears input or permission issues quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.